responsibilities, I think for me that is where we draw the line. And I would want to make a special appeal to our leaders that we need to be mindful, so that if you are going to demonstrate, or if you are going to ask Kenyans to go out and demonstrate, let's follow the law. It has to be peaceful. The police must be notified. We need to know between what time and what time are you doing a demonstration, and for how long, and how many people. And as we do that, where rights stop is the rights of others who have a contrary opinion begin. And we cannot use the freedom to picket to trample on the rights of the rest of Kenyans who do not want to participate in the demonstrations or in the processes that you undertake. And lastly, for me, is the use of violence to pass points.